It's giving Beyonce.
I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling.
What is up, you guys? What's poppin'? It's your girl Angel Sky, and I'm coming at you with another banger video. And on today's video, I will be reviewing this beautiful Nadula hair that is the Jerry curl, and it is so beautiful. And everything will be listed down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check them out. I believe this unit was $179. It came in 3 days, and it's 180% density. But all the other information you need is gonna be down in the description box below. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, my camera was smudged this whole time. I'm wondering, why does it look so blurry? But anyways.
Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though with me, living life so
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and leave me a like, a comment, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
chill.